Hello everyone, in this video we are going to fix pip is not recognized as internal or external command error in Python. Let me open command prompt and type pip. You can see pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. To fix this bug, um, follow this step. Um, Again, open in file location and go to the script. Copy the full path and this PC property and advanced system settings and environmental variables path edit new control B okay and okay. Mm. You have to reopen your CMD. It takes time. I don't know why. Now you can see PP is working. Basically, pip is a Python package distributor to download the third-party module like pip install. Try again.